Howdy folks, welcome to Hawkmeyer Outdoors, and on this episode we are repurposing some Altoids cans.
That's right, we've put outdoor inspired items in this thing and it helps us keep organized in our packs. You all stay tuned. This first kit that I put together, it's kind of like a cooking kit. Start off with, I put a rubber band around it to kind of hold it together. You could also use this rubber band for something else around the camp if you wanted. To open it up, got a moist towelette, a little bottle of Tabasco, seasonings that you might use: lemon pepper, black pepper, Cajun spice, and salt. And put those inside of straws and just heated the ends up and crimped them down. Now moving on in, of course it wouldn't be a cooking kit without a spoon. Just a small little knife there. And a little bit of a sponge to clean up your kit. You could also use this as an actual food tray to eat out of. Clean it up and you can eat out of it. So that's my Altoids cooking kit in a pinch.
Another Altoids can repurposed idea is I made a little survival kit with one. It all fits in there. I wanted to add a space blanket to it though. So I put a little bit of paracord on the outside. I wrapped that around the space blanket. I cut one in half. The full one is too much, but it'll give you a couple uses. Another thing, I wrap mine in like duct tape to keep it all sealed up so the contents inside don't get wet. But I have some alcohol pads, a large Band-Aid, a book of matches, some aspirin, and a couple beef bouillon cubes, some Neosporin, some more duct tape, and inside this duct tape is a razor blade. Some water purification tablets, a couple more Band-Aids. You can also, in a pinch, you could use the can to boil some water. But this is the Survivor Man's treasure right here.
There's my next kit that I put together. Again, got it rubber band. Kind of help it hold together, and you can always use the rubber band around camp. This kit I made into a fire kit. Open it up. Of course, I've got a lighter. A cotton ball, which makes a really good tinder. A cotton ball dipped in wax, which will hold fire for a while. Three of these little birthday candles. If you really wanted to, you could find the birthday candles. They don't blow out. They last a bit longer. And a fire kit really needs some kind of redundancy. If the lighter breaks, you need something else. So I've went with a steel and flint. In the bottom of the kit, a piece of charcoal. In case you've never seen fire being started with a steel and flint, this is how we're going to do this. Got steel, you strike it against your flint. And the idea is a spark will land on your char cloth. There you go. Take the candle. Might be a little hot there. But now you've got sustained fire there for start whatever fire you need to or transport it. Well, hopefully this might have given you all some ideas and inspirations to upcycle these Altoids cans. There's a lot of purposes, a lot of uses you can do with them. They're almost too nice just to throw away. You know, you can build them however you want to suit your own needs. This is just the way we put them together, and we may make changes as we go.
Yeah. We might make a couple of these ideas into some Hockmeyer shorts. We have a few more Altoids cans ideas, and so we'll be looking for that in the future. But this is just a couple ideas we came up with, and thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Have a good one.